USS Niagara. You can see it there on the back. Niagara. Fought in the Battle of 1812. At least part of it did, a little bit. You can see the ports for the cannons. And if you look up, you can see the flag doesn't have all 50 states on it. Again, you can see the crow's nest up there where you can watch for enemy ships, friends, land, anything like that. This is Put-in Bay, Ohio. And one of the things that's famous for Put-in Bay, Ohio, War of 1812 is, spin around real quick, Perry's Monument. So it's right on the other side of us, which is pretty nice. A little bit of the ship from the outside. See the crow's nest up there. And over here. Just like on the pirate ships. On the USS Niagara. Fought in War of 1812. And we've got some of the cannons.
So anyway, this ship, after the other
ropes for rigging.
Flagship in the Battle of Erie was shot to pieces, she had something like 80% casualties, which in the age of sail, most crews would either surrender or the captain would turn and flee if the ship could still sail at somewhere around 20-25% casualties. So the Lawrence was shot up. Perry himself was one of the lucky ones that was not injured, and he still had one of the ship's boats was available, and there were enough crew around him also not injured that he was able to take the ship's boat and row a half-mile back away from the battle towards where Niagara was. Came up with Niagara, took over command. So then, with a brand new fresh ship, one of those moments in history where, you know, things could have gone just slightly differently if this small boat was on Commodore water's way over.
The front end of the ship.
Yeah. We hardly ever go.
Still have the same old construction. You can see the pegs and got everything's wood as it should be, as it was constructed back in the day. Part of this Niagara still has part of the original framework under it, even though it's all been redone around it. And posts are all still made traditional fashion. The rigging here, these are not metal, these are wood. You can see the wooden rigging. It even has a rope around it instead of metal.
Hi there, how's it going?
How are you doing?
Well, hello, welcome to the quarterdeck. Back here we have the ship's tiller, which is how we steer. We have a capstan. Do you have any questions, or is there anything you want to know more about?
They said that some of the construction was still original in the framework and such.
Yeah, down to the frames, there's a little bit of original wood. It's just ceremonial, it's nothing structural.
Okay.
And then down in the wardroom, which is where the officers live, they have some slats in their cabin that's made of original wood. But basically everything we have is just ceremonial.
Okay, and it's possible to go down to the lower deck for the.
Right now, I've heard rumors about maybe allowing it later today. I don't know if that's going to happen or not.
Okay. Well, thank you. What's some of the most interesting things you have seen on Niagara here since?
Most interesting thing. I don't
What do you
know.
find fascinating?
I think it's just you can read about history. You can read people's accounts of history. You can read things about the Battle of Lake Erie, but to be able to actually live it, sail on a boat, be able to experience what it's like to set up a hammock every night, being able to climb a loft and work with rigging, you're really living and being able to experience history in a unique way. And I find that most fascinating.
Yes, I would see it definitely when you feel part of it
Exactly.
because you're surrounded by it.
Right. It gives you a better idea of what people in the past experienced.
Like the reenactors when they do the war reenactments for Civil War or whatever, stay in the camps and sleep in the tents and.
A little bit, but this is like actually it too, where you're on history.
Yes. Thank you.
So we just moved into
This
the
back here is the till, as he said earlier, and you can use these pulleys to turn that, which will be on the back side and goes out back, and use those to change the direction. Down underneath here, they keep the compass. They keep track of where they're going,
and then you take
and then these big rods right here, these big timber. You can see a square on the end out there. And the reason those are square is they'll take these out, and if they want to raise the anchor, change rigging, move something, they put those in those square holes there, and they walk around. And they walk around and they hook the ropes on for maybe the anchors or something else. But they said they just barely have enough room to walk past here. It gets really close along the walls. So pretty interesting. A lot of the building techniques are they try to keep true as possible with insurance and safety things. There are some things obviously had to change, you know, maybe like the fire act signs and such. You'll see different things, but very interesting. If you get a chance to go on the USS Niagara, they're very informative, very helpful.